What is happening, people? It's Evans Willie here with another update. Listen, this is West Yorkshire. This is one of our projects, and basically with this particular one, it's been a little bit of a headache. We've had loads of issues getting planning permission, which we finally were able to do. Then after getting planning permission and starting the build, of course you have to do a building regs application, which that was straightforward, but getting him round, the officer checking around, there's been loads of issues, right? Long story short, we've pretty much at the end of the tunnel. But here's the thing though, here's one lesson I want you to get into your mind when you're doing property, right? Property is a problem solving business. If you're not someone who likes to solve problems, then unfortunately property is not for you. But if you're watching this video, I can just tell you might be somebody who is very good or wants to solve problems. In that case, come along with me, let's check this out. So this one is not a renovation, this is not a conversion, this is a new build. This was just a house I bought, and I bought it because it had a massive basement and it was just literally just vacant. So I converted this empty space into money. So everything that you can see here has been built from scratch. So come with me, we are now in the hallway. Come with me, let me show you around the 2-bedroom apartment. Okay, cool. So where we at right now with the stage, we're literally at the stage of second fix, electrics, and we're about the plastering stage in this level. Majority of the apartment is already plastered. Come with me, I'll show you around. Right, so let me show you the first bedroom. This bedroom here is an ensuite bedroom. Come with me. Wow, massive bedroom, very airy. We went for light colors in here, and here is the ensuite room. It's already plastered. The only thing that we need to do is just fit the bathroom, which are going to be done tomorrow. And yeah, so everything is obviously already done here. Painting, the windows already been fitted. So as soon as we get the bathroom fitted, we're going to be doing the flooring, and this entire room will be done. Second fix, electric's been done. First fix plumbing has been done in here. So after the bathroom is fitted, we'll do the second fix plumbing, and this will be crystal clear, done, finito. Come with me. So where we're standing right now will just be a living area. We'll put a nice little, kitchen, sort of like table in there, a dining table in here. And speaking of kitchen, if you just come along and walk with me, where I'm standing right now will be the kitchen. So we're gonna have a very straight kitchen in here. I like to go for straight kitchens because they're a lot more cost effective. So it's gonna be there's a straight kitchen along this wall, right? And over here as well. Again, this area will be identical to the other one, literally carbon copy. Here will be a living area. Put a table in here, and if we come into this room here, this is going to be the second bedroom, which of course is an ensuite bedroom. Now, the initial plan, the reason why I structured this property like this, because the plan A is to be a service accommodation, okay? Now, when I'm building from scratch, I always have to plan for plan B. Worst case scenario, if we obviously, the quiet seasons, I can always just rent these rooms out for £600 a month. Why? Because I've got 10 rooms upstairs that's already ensuite rooms, generating roughly about the same amount of money. So worst case scenario, if plan A does not work, the exit strategy is plan B, HMOs renting those 2 rooms out for £600 a month. So yeah, so with this particular room, we're almost done. Again, it's just about getting the final bits of plastering done. The reason why we haven't plastered this ceiling and some of the walls is because we have to wait for a sound test. When you're doing a flat conversion, this is a regular thing. Before building regs sign off the actual property, they normally want to do a sound test to see, listen, will they be able to hear any sounds from the upstairs? Always, as long as there's going to be a flat conversion and there's 2 stories, there's always something that needs to be done. So that is being done next week. When that is done and it's all passed, what's going to happen is we are then going to plaster, and it should pass. Why? Because we've had 2 ceilings. We've created one, put insulation, put a ceiling, put another level of insulation, and also a ceiling. So it should pass the sound test, and if it does, we'll plaster the ceiling, and then we can plaster the other walls. So this is the 2-bed apartment. It's cost about £40,000 so far to put it together, and we're hoping the end value will be roughly around £100,000. Okay. We didn't obviously pay to acquire it because it was part of the original purchase, which we bought in 2021. So over two years ago. Well, 3 years now. We're now in 2024. But listen, this project is almost done, man. I'm super excited. We're coming to the end of the tunnel. I'm super excited. I'm gonna go around and check my project, down the road. But listen, if you wanna get involved and do deals like this, listen, hit me up. Let's connect. We can join venture. Or if you wanna learn, get the knowledge, that's gonna be the best ROI. I'm down to teach you, man. Hit me up. Let's make this happen. Peace out, guys. Have a good day.